The courtroom was packed, reporters, lawyers, even people who had nothing to do with the case but came because they'd heard the whispers, that little boy's going to speak today. At the front sat Alicia Brown, a single black mother, hands trembling as she gripped the table. She was being sued by her wealthy landlord for damages she didn't cause, really, he just wanted to evict her. Beside her sat no attorney. She couldn't afford one, but next to her, barely tall enough for the chair, sat her 8-year-old son, Malik, wearing a tiny suit, his legs swinging nervously beneath the table. The judge, an older white man with tired eyes, glanced over the file and sighed. "Mrs. Brown, I understand you don't have legal representation." Alicia swallowed hard. "No, Your Honor. My attorney withdrew last week. I couldn't pay the new fees." The landlord's smirk widened. "Your Honor, I suggest we proceed quickly. This is an open and shut case." Before the judge could reply, Malik spoke, softly, but clearly. "Actually, sir, it's not." Every head turned. The judge blinked. "Excuse me, young man." Malik stood, buttoning his jacket like he'd practiced it 100 times. "I said, it's not an open and shut case. My mom didn't break the lease. Mr. Harland did." The landlord frowned. "This is ridiculous." But Malik wasn't done. He held up a few crumpled papers he'd printed from the library. "See, the law says if a landlord fails to repair serious issues like mold, broken heat, or unsafe wiring, the tenant can withhold rent until it's fixed. That's Section 83.51 of the State Housing Code." The courtroom went silent. Even the stenographer paused mid-type. The judge leaned forward. "Son, where did you learn that?" Malik hesitated, then said, "From the law books in the public library. Mom reads me stories at night, I started reading hers." Alicia's eyes filled with tears, pride and disbelief mixing all at once. The landlord tried to interrupt, flustered. "That's nonsense. There's no proof of these so-called issues." Malik quickly pointed to the folder on the table. "There is, sir. These are city inspection reports from last month. You